What's going on, everyone? Thanks for tuning back in. Don't mind my shop is a freaking disaster. I'm working on all kinds of stuff, projects, been super busy lately. Was at Home Depot, picked up some new Ryobi stuff here. Well, I had this for a while, but I got these little screwdrivers. Then I picked up the cardboard cutter because I always have so many boxes to chop up. I figured, we try it and see if it's any good. And what's funny, these little USB batteries, the Home Depot by my house in Inver Grove Heights has these on clearance for like $6. So if this is any good, I want to go fill up on these batteries. Yeah, so here we go, guys. This is new at Home Depot. Well, it's been out for a couple months, but they finally have it in stock. I want to say it was $59.99, $49.99. It comes with a USB-C charger, which is the newer, the faster charger versus the old micro USB. Let me get it close up. So same as your cell phones, your newer cell phones, right there, bam. And you're just supposed to be able to plug it right into this little battery here. I've really never met, oh, there, plugs in right there. So this is the Ryobi USB lithium 2 amp hour battery, 7.2 amp hours, or watt hours, excuse me, 4 volt. Okay, so it's 4 volts. Let's see. Let me adjust the camera here so you can get a better look. How you get this back off here? You just twist it or what? And it goes, you can see the little tabs here. You can see inside the hole. It goes right and like that. Pop the cap on, see if there's any juice in it. Oh, that's slick. So you have to hold the trigger down and then pull the handle. Let's see if I got some cardboard. That's slick, guys. I like it. Now, mind you, this is a dead battery. Look at that. Should we double it up, see if we can do a double cardboard? A little resistance just because it's kind of a small opening, but it does it. Nice little blade on there. You see that? This is model FVC51. So, Foxtrot Victor Kilo 51 is brushed little tool. You can see a little motor in there. All right, let's charge it up and see how she works after she's charged it up. All right, you see that? It blinks green when it's charging. Let's time it and see how long it takes to charge up, and we'll get back to you. So I've eyeballed the Makita one of these for a long time. See, it's called the Power Cutter. Self-sharpening blade, it's kind of odd. Integrated guideline allows the ultimate precision powered by Ryobi lithium batteries. System for portable and minimal downtime. RPMs, 270 RPMs. Blade diameter, 41 millimeters. Cutting capacity, 1/4 inch. Oh, so it can cut thicker stuff. Can you adjust this? Nope. You can't adjust the guard, it's just set in place. I guess there's a 1/4 inch of space in there. Can you see that? What else does it say here? Is there a runtime? Includes 2 amp hour battery, 2-year limited warranty, multi-cutting material, cardboard, rubber, leather, plastic. Oh, it says carpet on cardboard. Can't read, I'm illiterate. There you go, guys. Seems pretty slick to me. We'll see how she lasts, and if it really is self-sharpening blades. Well, that blade is sharper than heck. I'll take a finger off for sure. It's pretty light. I wish I had a belt clip. I always need a belt clip Ryobi on everything. You want to make stuff better, Ryobi, TTI? Put a belt clip on everything you make and include the belt clip. Stop being cheap. It's 10 cents. Put the damn thing in the box. Like all your new stuff that's coming out, all your new impacts and drills, no belt clip. Really? You have to order it for $7.99 on the Home Depot website? TTI, shame on you. Trying to screw us over like that. Oh wait, but I want to show you these little. I do a ton of small stuff. I'm always working on my kids' stuff, putting batteries and little toys and whatnot, and these come in handy. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the one I always lose right here, the larger Phillips. #1 Phillips. So it says what it is on the back. That's kind of slick. I want to say this is like $5 or $6, this little kit. So it says number 1. Boop. So in the kit, you get a a 1/8 standard drive, number 1 Phillips, a 3 3/32 standard, and a 0 Phillips. Focus. Okay, 0. And then you get a 1/16 standard flat and a 00 Phillips. It's pretty small. There you go, see better. Nice. I actually have the Husky set of these and the Cobalt, and you think I can find any of them? No, none. I kind of like the little case. Put it right up on my Ryobi wall here. The Ryobi wall of shame. Now guys, if you're into this stuff here, it's very overpriced, but you know, I kind of like it now. It's kind of grown on me, other than it's cheap. And they're actually clearancing the stuff out. So I just picked up another bin. These are on clearance for $5. Normally they're like $7.99. So a couple bucks off. And the kit is normally what, $32.99. It's on sale for $28 by the one by my house. So you never have too many storage bins, guys. I'm always shoving stuff in here. Full of screws and whatnot. So it says it'll cut carpet. I have this old mat I use when I'm working on the cars. It's like leathery on one side and it's carpet. So let's see if it'll cut this. Like butter. Double it up. See if it'll cut it double. See that okay? Double whammy. Oh yeah. Look at that, like nothing. That actually cuts really nice, guys. I like this a lot. Double it up, see if you can get triple or quadruple through there. It's so thicker than a 1/4 inch, but yeah, 4 layers of carpet slash, well, it's cheap carpet, guys. Oh, my finger! Gotcha. That cuts really fast. All right, there you go. That's my review of the Ryobi Power Cutter. That's what it's called, the Ryobi Power Cutter, guys. Don't forget, like, subscribe, hit that bell so you don't miss out on my future content, guys. I got lots of videos coming. Not gonna want to miss these out, guys. I got a whole bunch lined up, so I'm gonna be coming out fast and furious at you guys. Thank you, much love. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Until next time, see ya.